There are star ceiling projectors at the master bedroom. Here is the projector. And there are two ways to turn on and off the projector. There's an iPad at the house. If you find the Google Connect app, inside there is the start. In the start, the master switch is turned on and off. So far the schedule is scheduled to turn on at 7:30 p.m. and turn off at 7:45 p.m. And you can set the schedule yourself on the iPad. And in the control panel, you can change the start and all these settings, circular speed and countdown. Countdown 10 minutes. There's a second way you can do the voice control of the star ceiling lights. Alexa, turn off the stars.
Okay.
As you can see, the stars went off. Alexa, turn on the stars.
Okay.
As you can see, the stars are all on.